Our viewers keep asking the same question: when is Garmin CIRQA finally going to launch? But if you connect a few recent developments, a much clearer timeline starts to emerge. We've already seen certifications, trademark filings, and even accidental retailer listings. While those confirmed that CIRQA is real, they never answered the one question everyone actually cares about: when will Garmin announce its first screen-free fitness tracker? Now, two separate timelines are beginning to overlap, making the picture much more interesting. The first clue comes from Garmin's FCC filing. Garmin received FCC authorization for CIRQA on January 20th, 2026, but it also requested 180 days of short-term confidentiality for important documents, including the user manual, internal photos, and external photos. According to the FCC filing, those documents are currently scheduled to become public on July 19th, 2026. That creates an interesting situation. If Garmin wants to control CIRQA's first impression, it would make far more sense to announce the product before those manuals and images become publicly available through FCC records, rather than letting the internet uncover everything first. The second clue comes from Garmin's trademark activity. The CIRQA trademark recently advanced into the UK's pre-publication stage, marking another administrative milestone that happens to fall around the same period. On its own, that doesn't reveal a launch date, but when it lines up with the FCC timeline, it becomes much harder to ignore. There's another reason people are paying attention to next week. Garmin has often announced new products on Wednesdays, and that makes Wednesday, July 15th and Wednesday, July 22nd, the two dates many people are watching most closely. If neither announcement happens, attention will likely shift to July 19th, when the FCC confidentiality period expires, and the days immediately after. Now, it's important to be clear about what this is and what it isn't. These are not leaked launch dates. There's no media invitation, no press release, and no insider confirming that Garmin has chosen either of those days. This is simply a prediction based on regulatory deadlines, trademark progress, and Garmin's previous launch patterns. That makes it more than a random guess, but it's still far from confirmation. Of course, we've been here before. Earlier predictions pointed to March, then May, and later June, and none of those windows resulted in an official announcement. That's exactly why these July predictions should be viewed with some caution. Still, if Garmin intends to introduce CIRQA before its remaining confidential FCC documents become public, the next couple of weeks could be the ideal opportunity. Whether that actually happens is something only Garmin knows. So, what do you think? Will Garmin finally unveil CIRQA this July, or are we headed for yet another delay? Let me know your prediction in the comments. Peace.